Uh, good afternoon, friends. Very good afternoon. So today we come with the message of the day, and I just want to tell you, everybody, thank you because had a very good response for yesterday's video, as well as many people have told me to remove a card for them. So once after this video, I would be doing it personally, and I would be sending you a voice note after this video. How much ever I can, I will do it, or whenever I sit next for the readings. So let's see what's the message for today. Take your time making this decision. Archangel Michael, please help me stay strong and relaxed as I approach this situation. Remind me to detach and step back, allowing the situation to naturally unfold. So this is a card which is saying that you have to naturally wait for things in life to unfold. Take your time. Also, naturally in a very natural way, the thing that has to happen will just right now happen to you. So you don't need to take any stress. Naturally, whatever is going to happen, it will just unfold in front of you. So take time in making your decision, as it is going to happen in a very natural way. You don't need to think about it a lot. Admit the truth to yourself and act accordingly. I appreciate your support in helping me face my feelings with grace and acceptance, so that I can lovingly be honest with myself and others. So this is that it's high time that you admit the truth to yourself, be honest to yourself. You've done a lot for others, but it's high time that you are honest in your approach and being honest to yourself and admitting the truth to yourself. This is Larimar, sensitive emotions. Times of heightened emotions and sensitivity call for extra self-care and gentleness. So this is a card saying that you're very sensitive right now, extra sensitive in anything. So right now it is very important that you take care of yourself. You pamper yourself and only you think about yourself, because you are extra sensitive right now to whatever is happening around you. It might cause or affect your health. So take care of yourself, pamper yourself. Right now only think about yourself. So these are the three cards, and the tarot question that I've taken for today is when is marriage happening, or when is marriage coming, or when is marriage happening, general marriage questions. So let's see. So I've removed two sets, 1 and 2. So this can be relationship forever, relationship togetherness, marriage. That's how you can put up this question. All you have to think is, you have to think about the question in your mind relating to marriage, relating to relationship, future of relationship. I've removed 2 decks, 1 and 2. All you have to do, just think of the question and think of one number which comes very strongly to you right now. It's either 1 or 2. Okay, let's see now if you've thought of 1. I'm reading for 1. Okay, 1 is showing that the relationship or marriage. See, basically, if I put this question as marriage is showing still yet in a confusion state. Still yet, it's not showing that's not going to happen. It's showing that there are a few struggles coming in it, and this is a struggle phase. This is a confusion state. Balancing the relationship. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. It's going through some stress, it's going through some struggle, but it's not showing coming to an end. And if you relate this to marriage, it's not showing marriage is not happening. It's just showing a bit of struggle phase, a bit of confusion stage. Now if you've chosen number 2, number 2 is showing that somehow the waiting period is over. It can lead to something positive. And if you are seeing that I have waited for a long and I'm not getting any positive results, or nothing positive is happening, so it's time to move on. So there are 2 answers to number 2. First is that the wait is over, finally something positive is happening. And if something positive is not happening, it's time to move on, or kind of let go of it and start a new chapter. So this is the thing. First card is showing confusion, struggle. It's just going up and down, up and down, if it's related to marriage or relationship, but it's not showing an end. It's showing a struggle phase. It's showing ups and downs. Second is showing that the waiting is quite of done off, and now something positive will come. Or if you are thinking that now the wait is over, so think of opening a new chapter and letting go. If you have any confusions or anything regarding this, you can message me. Also, people who have sent me their names to remove a card, I would be doing this in some time. Right now I would be removing one card for each person who has messaged me. And if you like this video, please do share it. If any comments, if any suggestions you're not understanding or anything, please do write in the comment box below. Thank you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow.